Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, Financial Modeling Tutorials. Chapter 15, How to Write VBA Macros in Excel. Welcome to our tutorial on how to write VBA macros in Excel. VBA, or Visual Basic for Applications, is a powerful tool that allows you to automate repetitive tasks and create custom functions within Excel. To get started, you'll need to access the VBA editor by pressing Alt plus F11 in Excel. Here, you can create a new macro by inserting a module through the Insert menu and then writing your VBA code. A simple macro example might look like this: sub hello world, emsg box, hello world, and sub, which displays a message box with hello world when executed. You can run your macro directly from the VBA editor by pressing F5 or from Excel by navigating to the Developer tab, selecting Macros and clicking Run. For those who prefer not to write code manually, Excel's Macro Recorder can help by capturing your actions and generating VBA code automatically. To use it, go to the Developer tab, click Record Macro, perform your desired actions, and then click Stop Recording. The recorded macro can be viewed and edited in the VBA editor. As you advance, you can explore more complex VBA features, such as variables, loops, and conditional statements. For example, you might use a loop to fill a range of cells with numbers or conditional statements to perform actions based on specific criteria. Don't forget to use error handling and debugging tools to troubleshoot issues, and always save your workbook as a macro-enabled file, SXLSEM, to retain your VBA code. By mastering VBA, you can greatly enhance your productivity and customize Excel to fit your needs. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on Excel VBA and other productivity tools.